In this tutorial, we'll learn about Claude AI, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it for tasks like writing, coding, and research. Claude is an AI assistant created by Anthropic. It is designed to help with tasks like writing, coding, and answering questions. Claude offers multiple plans, including a free plan, a pro plan, and higher tier options such as Max for users who need more advanced features and higher usage limits. Click on the free plan to get started, then enter your email to create your account. Go to General Settings to add your avatar and full name. Enter what you would like to be called, and choose the option that best describes your work. You can also adjust your preferences, such as theme and notifications, in the Settings menu. Take a moment to explore the dashboard so you understand where everything is. Once you're ready, you can start a new chat and begin using Claude for your tasks. Claude Code is a feature that helps you write, understand, and improve code. You can ask it to generate code snippets, fix errors, or explain how a piece of code works. It supports multiple programming languages and is useful for both beginners and experienced developers. Claude offers a range of built-in features designed for different kinds of tasks, including options like Claude Choice for general assistance, Write for drafting and editing content, Learn for explanations and study help, Code for programming support, and Life Stuff for everyday advice and planning. These features are typically powered by advanced models such as Claude Sonnet 4.6, which is optimized for balanced performance across reasoning, creativity, and practical problem solving, making it suitable for handling a wide variety of user needs within a single interface. Claude's interface is designed to guide users through different types of tasks by offering structured features like Claude Choice, Write, Learn, Code, and Life Stuff, each tailored to a specific kind of interaction. For example, if you choose a topic like discussing future technologies, Claude may first generate suggested prompts, such as exploring artificial intelligence, space travel, or renewable energy, to help you get started. This prompt guidance makes it easier to focus your ideas, especially if you're not sure how to begin, and reflects how models like Claude Sonnet 4.6 are optimized to support both creativity and structured thinking. After selecting or refining a prompt, you can explore different features to expand your work. Using Write, you might turn the idea into a detailed article, while Learn can break down complex concepts like quantum computing into simpler explanations. The Code feature could help simulate or model technological ideas, and Life Stuff might connect those innovations to everyday impact. Together, these features allow you to build on a single idea across multiple perspectives, turning a simple prompt into a more developed and thoughtful piece over the course of a few paragraphs or more. The Write feature is designed to help you quickly create polished content such as emails, reports, or full-text newsletters without starting from scratch. For example, you can ask it to draft a newsletter about current technology trends, and it will generate a structured piece with a strong subject line. Engaging introduction, clear sections like AI, cybersecurity, or space tech, and concise summaries for each topic. It can also adapt the tone, whether you want something formal, casual, or more promotional, making it useful for different audiences such as colleagues, subscribers, or clients. Beyond the initial draft, the feature also makes it easy to refine and expand your content. You can ask it to add more detail to specific sections, simplify technical explanations, or include calls to action and headlines that improve readability. This means you can start with a basic idea, like a monthly tech newsletter, and gradually turn it into a well-organized, professional piece that communicates complex information in a clear and engaging way. The Learn Python feature is designed to help you build a structured, step-by-step roadmap for mastering Python from the ground up. It typically starts with the fundamentals, such as variables, data types, conditionals, loops, and functions, before moving into intermediate topics like object-oriented programming, error handling, and working with libraries. From there, it guides you into more advanced areas like file handling, APIs, data analysis, and frameworks. The idea is to break the learning process into manageable stages, so you can progress logically instead of feeling overwhelmed by everything at once. As you continue, the plan usually shifts toward practical mastery through projects and real-world applications. This might include building small apps, automating tasks, creating web applications, or analyzing datasets. It also encourages consistent practice, debugging exercises, and gradually increasing project complexity. By following this structured approach, you can move from beginner to advanced Python user. Claude Code can help you design a feature flag system by turning a high-level idea into a structured implementation plan and working code. You can describe what you need, like enabling or disabling features for specific users, environments, or A/B testing. And it can generate a design that includes flag types, Boolean, percentage rollout, user-based targeting, storage options, config files, database, or remote service, and evaluation logic. It can also produce example code in languages like Python, JavaScript, or Go, showing how to check flags at runtime and switch behavior safely without redeploying the whole application. The Life Stuff feature is typically designed to help you manage and track personal goals, habits, and everyday tasks in a more structured way. For example, you can set goals like learning a new skill, exercising regularly, or improving productivity, and the system can break them into smaller steps, suggest routines, and help you stay consistent over time. It acts like a personal planning assistant, turning broad intentions into clear, actionable progress markers. As you use it, you can also track ongoing progress and adjust your goals as needed. It might help you reflect on what's working, remind you of unfinished tasks, or suggest improvements based on your patterns. This makes it useful for building long-term habits, staying organized, and keeping personal development on track in a simple and structured way. The plus button lets you attach files or images like screenshots and documents, so the AI can analyze them directly. It can also connect to projects to keep your work organized and maintain context across chats. In some setups, it includes tools like web search, connectors to external apps, and options to adjust user style or add skills for specific tasks. Overall, it turns the chat into a more powerful workspace where you can combine files, data, and instructions in one place. Claude is a multi-feature AI workspace that combines tools like Write, Learn, Code, and Life Stuff to support different types of tasks, from content creation and programming to personal goal tracking. With capabilities such as prompt suggestions, chart generation, file uploads, web search, and project organization, it allows users to move from simple ideas to structured outputs in a guided way. Overall, you have successfully mastered how Claude's features work together as an integrated system for productivity, learning, and creative work.